Hi! In front of me is Poco M5 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this Poco. You need to begin by going into settings and tapping on display section. Over here. Then scroll down again and tap on font. After that, you need to tap on the best one for you. Select free over here and tap on apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, you can do that by tapping on the same display settings, choosing font section again, but this time tapping on profile at the bottom right corner. Now click on fonts under wallpapers, choose Roboto one, which is the default one, and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!